Is this on? Okay, it's on. Very good here. That's from the last video. Okay, this is a video on how to make the stupid clickbait with the marshmallows. Grab a marshmallow, white, pink, whatever it be. Let me get what is called a plate. I'll be back in a few seconds. Get it now. Imagine how much I'm going to be cleaning this plate. Put it on the plate. Okay, sorry. Put it on the plate just like this. Okay, so now guess what you do? You take the plate, walk over to the microwave, open the microwave, and now put it inside. Now turn this shit on, bro. Okay.